Many friends are frying fish. It's either a sticky pan or a broken skin. I can't fry it well. Today, let me share with you some tips for frying fish. Make sure you learn it later. No matter what kind of fish you fry, it won't stick to the pan. Break. Tender and juicy after serving. Nutritious and delicious. Follow my video next. Let's see how it is done together. Today my cousin caught a big carp in the river. Send it to me just in time to share with you the method of braised carp. We start with a small spoon. Scrape the scales clean. Scraping fish scales with a small spoon is clean and hygienic, and it won't hurt your hands. After the fish scales we cut the fins clean with scissors. The fins themselves have no meat, and it burns easily when fried. The tail of the fish is also trimmed for it in the shape of a dovetail. It won't burn black. It also looks more beautiful. Next, we use scissors. Clean the internal organs inside the fish's stomach. The black film and sticky acupoints in the stomach should also be cleaned. Then we cut the head of the fish first. There is a small white spot at the incision. This is the fish line. We can see it with a light pull of our hand. Then use the knife to slap and pull, so a whole fish line comes out. Isn't that simple? Each carp has fish lines on both sides, and we'll do that again. See if it's a thin white line. After removing the fish, let's change the fish to a knife again. A few slashes on the back of the fish. The meat here is thicker. It is easy to taste when scratched with a flour knife. Slide into the video, that's it. 处理好的鱼，我们将它放到一个大碗中。Next, prepare a little green onion. Slice it. Prepare another small piece of ginger. Cut it into slices. Cut it all and put it in a large bowl. Then sprinkle a little salt. Then we put the onion, ginger and salt in it on the fish. Keep wiping like this. Squeeze out the scallion and ginger juice. We must remember not to sprinkle salt when salting the fish. That will make the fish tighter and become firewood. Don't use cooking wine either. Use scallion and ginger water instead. Cooking wine can both remove the fish's smell and increase the flavor. Spread all evenly, then set aside to marinate for 10分钟 use. Next, prepare some garlic. Smash it with a knife first. A pat of garlic like this will release the garlic flavor. Then chop the garlic into minced garlic. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare another small piece of ginger. Slice them up. And we cut that into little filaments. And finally, minced ginger. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a green onion. Cut in half first. And we cut that into little filaments. And finally, minced shallots. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Friends who like spicy food, prepare a little millet pepper first. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. At this time, our fish is almost marinated. Take it out and put it on the cutting board. Wipe the surface moisture off with kitchen paper. Prevent too much moisture and put it in the oil. After wiping it clean, sprinkle some cornstarch on top of the fish, then apply it evenly. Flour can lock the moisture in the fish very well. Coat the surface of the fish evenly with a layer of cornstarch. Next up, Pour an appropriate amount of cooking oil into the pot. After the oil is hot, put the fish into the pot. Don't worry about flipping the fish after it is in the pot. You can rotate the pot. Let the oil dip into the fish. Wait until one side is fried until it flip it over and fry the other side. Take a look at this fish fry. Is there no broken skin when it comes out? It won't stick to the pan. We fry both sides of the fish until golden brown to make the fish delicious. Fried fish is the key because the fish is fried. It tastes better. It can also remove the fishy smell well. Just fry until golden on both sides like this. Let's shovel out the fried fish first. Put it on a plate for later use. Next, add a little cooking oil to the pot. After the oil heats all the onion, ginger, garlic, and chili down and fry until ginger and garlic. Be sure to turn on a low heat and fry slowly. Prevent burning. After frying, add a spoonful of bean paste. Continue to stir fry evenly. Stir fry for sauce flavor. After frying the incense, add a little rice wine to it. Yellow wine can both remove the fishy smell and increase the fragrance. Then pour a little more water into it. Then put the fish you just fried into the pan. The amount of water should not be too much. It is about half of the fish. Then we add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, a spoonful of dark soy sauce to improve color, a pinch of salt. Sprinkle some pepper. Then we use a shovel to remove the fish soup inside. Put more water on the fish. Make fish more flavorful. Cover the pot and simmer over high heat for 7 minutes. It's time. We open the lid. Wow, there's an aroma. Such a very simple and delicious braised carp. That's it. At this point we will fish out and put the fish on the plate. Add a little water starch to the soup in the pot. Cook with thin thickness. Thickens the soup inside. Boil it into the video. That's it. Next, we drizzle the soup evenly over the fish. Sprinkle with scallions or coriander. Such a very simple and delicious braised carp. Just do it. If you think this goldfish method is good, just collect it and try it. If you like my video, remember to like it and follow it. See you in the next video.